What's up guys, I'm gonna teach you in today's tutorial how to set up an exchange on Telegram wallet. The process is really easy but has a lot of steps, so make sure to watch the whole video to ensure using it in the most efficient way. So, we will learn how to set it up first. Go to Telegram, then search for @wallet. This bot allows you to buy cryptocurrencies, exchange, sell, and send to other wallets. So, you wanna go ahead and click on start. So you'll have many options, but if you want to change any of the preferences, like language or local currency, tap on settings. And when you tap on my wallet, it's gonna show you your balance, Taunt coins, bitcoins, and USDTs. So to add crypto to your balance, you either click on deposit or buy crypto with the bank. You will just need to complete a few other steps and you can deposit crypto in your wallet. Now, when you want to send money to another wallet, you're gonna click on withdraw or check. With checks, you can send crypto to anyone, anytime you want. But to use the withdrawal option, as in to send money to another wallet, you just need to go to the wallet you want to deposit the crypto on, search for the currency you'd want to use, then click on send. After that, you have to go to Telegram wallet and find the same currency. Click on it, then click on withdraw. It will give you a wallet address and a memo, which you will go and paste in the other wallet app, then type the amount you'd like to send, and that's all guys.